So a question I get asked a lot, like in these videos, is how am I able to study for like 6 to 10 hours every day? Now, if I'm going to cover all the factors, this video will take like 10 minutes. So I'm just going to go over one factor that has helped me to be able to study for this long, and that is the Pomodoro technique. Now, to understand the Pomodoro technique, I'm going to present two diagrams of two different people studying. The first person studies until he or she is tired, and the second person uses the Pomodoro technique. Okay, so we have the diagram for the first person studying until they're tired. Okay, now let's say this person studies for 2.5 hours, then takes a 30-minute break, and then studies for another hour. So based on this diagram, the main component we want to look at is the focus over time. So basically, what is the average of this person's focus over time? This person studied for 3.5 hours and rested for 30 minutes. Probably say that this average focus was around 50%. And now, based on pure logic, 50% focus is really ineffective study sessions. You're probably really tired when studying, you won't get a lot of stuff done. Now we'll show the diagram of someone studying with a Pomodoro technique with a split being 50 minutes and 10 minutes. You can see in this diagram, just by taking small breaks in between your study sessions, when you're kind of losing a bit of focus, you will be able to have a much higher average focus. We see that this average focus is around 90%. Now, having an average focus of being around 90%, this will lead you to have really productive and effective study sessions. Now, lastly, I wanted to say that you don't have to use the 50 and 10 split. You have to find your own sweet spot. For me, this works really well. You could use 25 and 5, an hour and 10 minutes, an hour and 15 minutes. And you do that by trial and error. And yeah, that's about it. And also comment if you have any questions.